Yeah, hey Nicole. Look, I've just plotted the site, and these are the height to boundary markers which sit on the boundary. I've put a 600 eve on everything. You could probably reduce it down to 400, but just to show you that we're actually clear all the way around. I've positioned the site as far back as I can. I've put a sloped roof on it, so it's going from obviously high to low, which I'll give you an indication in the moment. I thought, yeah, weatherboard everywhere, but I thought what might be quite cool is if you did this entry wall in vertical, just to change it up a bit, maybe even that back wall vertical. It seems to be what a lot of developers are doing, just sort of around that entry to keep costs down. Sort of folding doors, I better just correct that. That's fine. Sort of folding doors, bifold doors onto a deck area with some planting. Um, Look, I've just chucked in some windows for now, just in terms of the spaces. A full-length ceiling to floor window in the hallway to let light in. It is the south side, so probably won't, this roof. What we may end up doing is from that wall there, sort of this is all sloping, but like I was saying before, this would all still be a truss roof, but flat on the inside. Um, so from a footprint side of things, I'll let you have a look at the plan, but basically, yeah, 104 squares is super tight. I mean, we've got this garage, which is a minimum of 6'6" by 3'3", or 3'4", sorry, internal 3'4". You could shrink that down to a little bit. What I normally do is I use these guys, A1 Homes, in terms of their garage and their dining and their spaces. You see their bedrooms are pretty small, but I use those spaces. So you got your wardrobe, your laundry, possibly a door out there to the backyard or side yard. Bedroom one's a 2,750 by 3'4", so probably okay. Bedroom 2, 3'4" by 2'8". So yeah, that's kind of, and then the hallway is determining the separation is 1100. You could go down to a meter, if you wanted to, even 900. It just makes the entry feel a bit tight. And you want some light coming in through there, which is cool. I mean, yeah, you could go down to a meter. Master bedroom, window on the west and south, a high level window, nice window there for afternoon sun. Ensuite, I just changed it around to what you had because I put the wardrobe on this side and the ensuite on this side, because what you're trying to do is trying to get maximum window and light coming into the ensuite. You've got the shower, hot water cylinder, the bathroom, sort of the bath there with the big window above, vanity, shower, toilet, which seems to work. This area here, I know you had it separated, but I'm just thinking in terms of it being, three beddy, you probably don't need a massive space. I think you could get away with sort of kitchen, living, dining all combined. But let me know if you have any other thoughts. I mean, this is, at the moment, it's sitting at 126 squares, which is the maximum allowance for building coverage. So I would say you could probably shrink that down to about 120, but I'd say with a single garage and a three beddy, probably wouldn't want to take it underneath 120. But yeah, have a look at what you think and let me know what you're thinking. Cheers, Nicole.